Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Currently the Australian dollar is consolidating above the 74-cent handle, and with the recent hammer that was posted on Friday, you can see we have had some follow through. In light of the pattern, keep an eye on the RSI because at present we could be looking at 74.45 challenge or even taking a stretch beyond this level and maybe looking up towards the region of 74.85 before any reversal. One thing to note is you may question with the outside range day, will it continue on? But I'd say that from the rebound in front of the level of 73.40, and also the fact is that the hammer has negated the outside range day in the short term, but I only feel the market may actually run out of steam beyond 74.45 and up towards 74.85, and then maybe another down test back towards 73.40. The US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has weakened slightly further since Friday and therefore has slipped under the 94 handle and is currently trading at 93.90. This in terms has seen the hammer posted on Friday, and furthermore we're getting more of a bullish traction in the euro. I would say that the current pattern may actually push on towards 116.30 to 116.95 to 117.20 as a stretch. There is a lot of resistance here, and especially with this heavy candle, the market has got a lot of work to do to turn this whole pattern around to a stronger bullish case. However, you can see the MACD is weak, and also the signal line. The fact is we're going sideways. Therefore, I feel that if we are looking for an opportunity to shorten the euro, then keep an eye on the top side of that range around 116.95 as it may bring opportunity. This week we've got the Federal Chairman Jerome Powell scheduled to speak. Along with that, we've got Bank of Canada and also the Bank of England and the European Central Bank governors to speak. So we could see a little bit more movement. The dollar yen has weakened and therefore taken out the level of 113.20 and exposing the downside, which is anywhere towards 112.65 and at a stretch 112 figure 05. Let's take one step at a time as the market takes a little bit of casualties in the US dollar as it weakens. Let's see how it challenges 112.65 because we are oversold, so we could find a little bit of support towards this region, but maybe a little slip underneath before profit taking emerges. With the bearish hammer that was posted on Friday for the British pound, we can see that has been followed through, as I stated this week, Monday, that we could see some follow on, and we have. Keep an eye on these technicals because if we see a break above the 135.80, which is right where we are now, or close to it at 78, could see a slight more interest, and that is of covering and therefore looking towards 136.30.40 before turning around. With the recent slide in dollar yen, CAD yen has weakened and now looking towards its objective that's coming in around 90.20.25 and reassess from there. The reason why I say that is we are oversold and we could see some profit taking coming into that level around 90.20 or 20.30, somewhere around that region. Wrapping up with gold, well, the market is still focused on the highs that were posted around July this year and also following right along in August as well. In light of the pattern, I feel that 1,832 to 35 will be a struggle to take out because the market seems to be lacking that bullish momentum that we've seen in the past that supports the rise, and therefore could see another failed attempt towards that level and eventually turn back towards the bottom side of the range around 1,748. When we look at the oil, well, the market seems to be not as appealing when it comes to the bullish case, and therefore could see the current rise of the last 2 days fail, and therefore see a retreat from that 82.15.25 level and look back towards the bottom side of the range, which is somewhere around 78.70, and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.